Okay guys, we are making a delicious pineapple casserole, and we are going to be using a pepper jack cheddar in this one. Now you can just use regular cheddar cheese. We're going to spice it up just a hair bit today. Okay. Okay. That smells so good. And I have found that this is not really spicy. It just gives a little bite, but it does not burn in the casserole. Okay, we're going to add about 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Okay, now we're going to add in 1/4 cup of sugar. Chunk pineapple. We're going to go ahead and drain it though. Okay, we're just going to pop it in. It's the way I do it. You can save this juice for something. Because it gives you about 2 cups of juice, and we're going to use 1/2 cup of it. Okay, we're going to toss our pineapple in that flour and sugar mixture. Make sure we coat it really good. I have been making this now for 20 years. 18, 19 years. No, it's got to be 20. It has been. It's been 20 years. Okay, now we're going to spray our casserole dish. I'm using a pretty yellow today for the pineapple. Okay. Now I'm going to add about 1/2 cup of the pineapple juice. I'm just going to put it in there. And the reason I didn't add it first is because I wanted that pineapple to be coated with that sugar and flour first. Okay, so now we're just going to take and put it right in our pan. Kind of spread it out a little bit. Now we're taking our cheddar cheese and we're just sprinkling it over the top. This is a beautiful dish, guys. And that was 1 cup of your favorite cheddar cheese. Okay, guys.
Okay, I need 4 tablespoons of butter, and I am using unsalted butter, and I'm going to put it in the microwave and melt it.
And we need 4 tablespoons of butter melted. Okay, the recipe.
Now, my husband bought me these club crackers from the store, and I like club better than I like Ritz, but they only had the minis, and so my husband just grabbed me the minis this time. But I do prefer the taste of the club crackers instead of the Ritz. And now I'm just going to put them in a bowl, and I'm going to grab my little chopper and I'm going to chop them up. I just find that it is easier if I chop them up and I get them to the consistency that I like. I don't need a food processor or anything like that. I can just use the little chopper. And now I am going to take and top the cheddar cheese, the pineapple casserole with the crackers, and see how fine they are. They are just the perfect consistency to eat. Now we're going to take our butter and we're going to start pouring the butter right over the top. That was 4 tablespoons of butter, and just let it soak in on the crackers so it won't be dry, and it turns out beautiful. I find that the butter just helps it brown just a little bit but does not burn it. It gives it such a great flavor on top.
Okay, so we're going to put this in a 350-degree oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. We want it to be bubbly when we take it out. You know, bubbling all over when we take it out. Okay, guys, we have to try this pineapple casserole. It looks gorgeous. I want to try it with that pepper jack cheese that I put in. I love it. I love that bite. Oh my gosh. That is so good. Guys, I want to say thank you for watching, for commenting, for coming, hanging out with me in my kitchen today. You guys are the best audience on YouTube.